Ever play chords to your favorite songs and wonder why they just don't sound right? That's because chords alone aren't enough. You actually need rhythm. I've helped hundreds of students instantly transform their playing with this exact approach. So in this video, I'll show you how to play 7 easy pop rhythm patterns that will make your playing more fun and pro in minutes. Also, if you'd like to have the PDF version to practice those patterns at home, you can get it for free down below in the description. Alright, now I'll be using the 1-5-3-4 chord progression in G major to show you these examples. But always remember that you can adapt and transpose this concept in any song you want. So we're gonna have G major, G, B, and D. Then we have a D major, D, F sharp, and A, B minor, B, D, and F sharp, and we have C major, C, E, and G, like this. Now to show you these patterns, I'm going to be using some chord inversion. So I just want to show you the one I'm going to be using so you can start by practicing this first. So for G major, I'm going to go with this chord inversion. So it's going to be B, D, and G. Then for D major, this is the one I'll be using. So A, D, and F sharp, B minor, only moving one note, so going from A to B, like this. And from C major, we're going with C, E, and G. Root position for this one. Let's dive into pattern number 1, and it sounds like this. Alright, so this pattern has a few different things. On the right hand, we're using some broken chord and quarter notes. So let's look at what's happening. So we go with a quarter note and then 2 8 notes. And for this, we're going with classic broken chords. The top 2 going to the bottom, back to the quarter note, and again, the broken chord. Alright, so it's twice the same thing per chord. So we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and like this. Then on D, we're doing the same thing. So we change the chord. We keep the top 2 to create the broken chord. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and just like this. B minor, same idea. And on C, just like this. On the left, we're going with a classic bass line, the dotted quarter note and the 8 note. And it's like 1, 2, and 3, 4. And we have the half note after. And it goes super well with what we're playing on the right hand here. So we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and just like this. So having the quarter note, 8 notes, and you play both together before going back here sounds really good, and it's just a small rhythm that you can add that makes the whole difference. Going on D, we do the same thing, so only the root, always a root on the left, and we play that with this pattern. On B minor, on C. Just like this. Alright, now pattern number 2 goes like this. Alright, this one can be tricky because it's a variation of the broken chord using the top and the bottom note of the chord and the middle as a pivot here. So we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4 like this. So it's basically our chord and we're using those notes like this. And on D major, this is the chord, this is the pattern. Like that. On B minor. And on C major. just like this. Now on the left, I'm going with 2 half notes with the root and the fifth, just like this. So both hands we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Like that. Let's take a look at pattern number 3. Alright, so for this one, we're using 8 notes on the right hand all the way. And what's happening is we start with the notes of the chord, and we have 2 8 notes, and then we're playing the top and the bottom note of the chord to add, in this case, a beautiful 6, back to the middle, bottom, middle, and back to the 6. So it's bottom, middle, 6th, middle, bottom. That's kind of the pattern here. Like this. All right. On the left, super easy. Just keep an octave here. Going on D. So this is the chord we have. So 6th. For B minor, we're actually going to go with a 5th. This is playing a 5th. And on C, same thing. Just like this. This is a beautiful pattern to add. And just as a quick reminder, if you'd like to have the PDF version of this video, you can get it for free down below in the description. And if you like how this sounds so far, make sure you check out the Online Rock Lessons Academy, because this is where I teach you how to use these beautiful pattern fills and licks and play full pop rock songs. If you need more information, you can find the link below in the description. Let's dive into pattern number 4, and it sounds just like this. Alright, so this one is very similar to the previous one, but I'm adding a small syncopation holding one of the notes in the pattern, and it's kind of getting things interesting here. So what's happening on the left, we have just the power chords in half note, and all those left-hand idea, by the way, are all switchable, so you can just change it, pick the one that you like for any of these patterns. For this one, let's go with the half note. On the right hand, we go with the 6th, so the bottom and the top note of the chord. Going in the middle, we hold that one, and then middle, top, and we have this small arpeggio here. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like this. Going to D, we're doing the same thing here. So this is the chord, so we have top and bottom. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now for B minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for C, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So this one is a great variation for small arpeggios, but still using the chords. Pattern number 5 sounds like this. This pattern is very interesting because there's a few things happening in there. Let's look at the right hand first. So on the right hand, we have the chords, then we have a broken chord, the syncopation, so we hold the note. Then we have the B right here and back to the broken chord. So it's a mix of quarter note, broken chord, a tie note, and the note of the chord right here. So we have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Same thing on D. So on D we have this chord, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and On B minor, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and C. Like this. Alright? On the left now, we have a beautiful arpeggio. I love using those arpeggios. It's basically the 1, the 5, and the 1 of the chord. And it feels the accompaniment in the back here. It's perfect. So we have 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Like this. Alright? Let's look at both hands now. So those two are together, then we have just the left and together. D. Just like this. So the left is 1, 5, 1 of G, 1, 5, 1 of D, 1, 5, 1 of B, and same thing on C. Alright? Now for pattern number 6, it sounds like this. This one is great for any ballad song that you want to play because it's using this beautiful arpeggio on the right. So what we have is the chord, then we play the arpeggio, we hold the last one, and we go down. That's simple. So up and down. Quarter note, and then same thing on D. On B minor. On C. So always reusing the note I just played in the chord inversion that I have for this one. And for the last pattern, pattern number 7, it goes like this. For this one, we have arpeggios in quarter note, and it goes with 2 quarter note here, and then we have an arpeggio starting an octave higher from the note on the bottom here. B, G, D, and B. Like this. Alright? Same thing on D. 2 quarter note, the arpeggio starting here, like this. On B, top, and on C, like this. On the left, we have another arpeggio using 1, 5, 1, just like in the previous one. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and D. Just like this. So 1, 5, 1 from each of these chords. So a beautiful pattern to add to so many different pop songs. Alright, now that you know how to play those rhythm patterns, you'll need this video to put them into practice.